Hi guys, this math lesson is for Monday, September 28th, and I'm just going to talk with you about how addition and subtraction can be related. So the first thing we want to do is take a look, and we need to figure out the problem 6 plus 3. We have different ways of figuring math out, and we all use our own way, whether it be our fingers or linking cubes. My classes use little chips sometimes. You could use buttons or coins. We can use a number line to figure math problems out, or a 100 number chart some kids like to use, and I will review how to use those in just a minute. So let's just look back at the problem. We take the bigger number, 6, and we can count up 3, whether we do that with our hands or a chart. So we say 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that 6 plus 3 equals 9. And I just wanted to show you that addition is related to subtraction. And how we would know that is we could take the biggest number, because when we add, we get even a bigger number than the biggest number that we started with. So we get 9. We can take the 9 and we could subtract either one of these numbers. We could subtract 6 and we would get 3. We have the same numbers. We have a 6, a 3, and a 9, and a 9, a 6, and a 3. We could even take it a step further. We could say 9 take away 3 this time equals 6. They're like a family. So they're all the same number. Now I wanted to just show you how we did it. Was we went 6, 7, 8, 9 to get to when we added them. We could use linking cubes. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can add 7, 8, 9. So there we have 6 plus 3 equals 9. And if you had those same 9 and you took 3 off, you would still have 6. You would have 6 left. Or if you took 6 off, you would have 3. Those numbers are all related, like a family. You could use, like I said, buttons or coins. You can also use a 100 number chart. So here we have our numbers. We said 6 plus 3 equals 9. So we would find the 6 and we would count up 3. 1, 2, 3, and we get 9. Now, say we had that 9 and we subtracted 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We would get 3. If we started at 9 and we subtracted 3, 1, 2, 3, we would get 6. Those numbers, when they work together, are all related. It works the same way on a number line. Here's our number line, and we sent these in your packets. We sent the number lines and we sent the 100 number chart. So here we go. If we started with 6 and the problem was 6 plus 3, we would go forward. The number would get bigger, so we'd go forward. We would go 1, 2, 3, and we would get 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. And then if we had the 9 and we subtract 6, we would go backward, because when we subtract, a number gets smaller. So we're taking something away. So 9 take away 6. Let's go backward 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 3. Starting back at the 9, if we subtracted 3, we're going backward because the number is going to get smaller. 1, 2, 3, we get 6. So we can use a 100 number chart or a number line to help us out too. Some of us like to use our fingers. So if we have 9 and we take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're left with 3. If we have 9 and we take away 3, 1, 2, 3, we have 6. And the main problem we started with was 6 plus 3, and I showed you how to do that. You start with a bigger number and then you count up. So 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, another family that I have here, we'll just go through one more, is 7 plus 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start with the bigger number. If it helps, you can circle the bigger number. If it helps you remember which one is bigger, we can say 7. Now we're going to count up 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so 7 plus 6 equals 13. And let's just make sure that these numbers are all related. We can check our work by subtracting. So this time let's start with 13 because that's the biggest number. So we'll say 13. Let's try to subtract 7 first and see what we get. We should get 6 if we did it correctly. So if we have 13, and I don't have enough linking cubes here, but I'm going to use my 100 number chart. If I start at 13, trying to hold this up so you can see it, there's the 13 right there. And I'm going to go backwards 7 because I'm subtracting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did. I ended up on the 6. So 13 take away 7 equals 6. Let's just try to take away the other number. Let's try to take away 6 this time and see if we get 7, just to check ourselves for some kicks and giggles. So 13 take away 6. I'm going to hold this up here. And 13 take away 6. We're going backward because we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 7. Were we correct? Yes, we were. 13, 6, and 7 are all related. And we checked it. When you subtract, you can check it by adding. When you're adding, you can check it by subtracting to make sure the numbers are related and your answer is correct. So you're going to be seeing some of this week, and I hope you understand. If you don't, please contact Mrs. Nuremberg or myself.